ahead and put the light over that one. Help me, I'm being invaded. This is Mama Cat. She gave birth to that one, and that one. And there's another orange cat that is nowhere to be seen. And Snowball, which I did a little picture of him because I gave him a new home. And you got that one up there who decided to grace our house with his presence or her presence. And then Mama Cat, she decided she wanted to claim us. Oh, there it is. One orange cat, two orange cats, three orange cats. She came over here looking for handouts and everything like that. And we gave her some food. Then all of a sudden she gave birth to these three and wherever the little black one ran off to. And a solid white one. And they won't leave. There's another adolescent black cat just running around that we have that takes care of the rodents and things like that around the household. But these little farts, they need a home, especially that one. Yeah, I'm talking about you down there. Mama Cat, orange kitten, orange kitten. Don't know where the black kitten ran to, but yeah. Anybody want some kittens? Let me know.